Mesachas Kesubos Daf Tzadi Hey. Rabbi Chanan has a tremendous chakir, the gavah halacha of shegavah, vgavah, according to the tzad, the Gemara in the beginning of the perek, that a miuchar, shekadam, vgavah, the second balchoiv came and collected the property before the first balchoiv. The Gemara has a shaylev shegavah, gavah, gavah, and the tzad shegavah, gavah. Rabbi Chanan clarifies the pshat that it's not chal b'chlal. It's as if he wasn't teifis any karka at all, or he's teifis the karka, and the earlier balchoiv could be gavah and could collect the property from him the same way he could collect from the kuchas. So Rabbi Chanan and other achronim have tremendous arichis about this chakira. Rabbi Chanan brings a raya from Tosfos Daf Tzadi Dalet and based on the block before, the Tosfos says that although the halacha is that a lekeach that buys a property and the balchoiv comes and collects the property, he can masalik and bezuzi, he can pay money to the balchoiv in order not to collect the property that he bought. However, balchoiv miuchar that was chekadam vgavah, he can't be misalik the balchoiv mukt and bezuzi. So Chanan says you see clearly from this Tosfos that's not a gavah b'chlal, and therefore he can't misalik the balchoiv mukt and bezuzi. The Tzais asked the kasha on Tosfos, what's the beer in the difference that a balchoiv mu'ucher can't be misalik the balchoiv mukt and bezuzi, and the Tzais says a different teretz that the reason is that the reason why is because the halacha of shuma hoda, which is a specific halacha by lekeach and doesn't pertain to balchoiv. Rabbi Chanan brings another raya from the sugyon of Tzadi Dal and Beis, Tzadi Hey and Aleph on the top, that the Gemara brings a case of two stories that came to a Beis. One was written Nisan Stama, one was written the 5th day of Nisan, and Yosef gave the property to the one that had a star that was written Hey Ben Nisan, and the other one asked the Yosef and Afsid, and he explained that it could be Yubar Chavtes Ben Nisan, and the Gemara explains the Maita Kante Tichtiv Harshol Adodi. And Chanan asks, how could they write a Harshol Lahadodi since the Balchoiv that was Bar Hey Ben Nisan already got the property, so his choiv was paid back. As if his choiv was paid back, so he can't be gavah b'chlal anymore. So how can he now write a hashah and join up with the other balchoiv to collect the property? So b'chon says akochi, you see that the halacha shegavah loigavah, it's as if he didn't collect the b'chlal, so therefore he could now write a hashah. According to the Yesod that we mentioned, the Shir Le'el and Daf Tzadi Beis from the Biskarov that learns when a balchoiv is going from lekeach, it's a bittul in the mekach, and if the lekeach didn't buy the property, so it could be over here also. Even if you say the shegavah loigavah is similar to a balchoiv being going from lekeach, but it's like a bittul on the kinyan that the balchoiv miuchar was gavah, and the same way the Biskarov says by lekeach, it's the bittul on the kinyan who would then by balchoiv miuchar, it's a bittul on the kinyan, and therefore now you can write our show with the other balchoiv. The Chorim discuss further from the Mishnah of Tzadi Hey and Aleph, Misha Yonosi Shtei Noshim, Mochas Edeyu, because of Vishan lekeach didn't dvorim enim b'nechsayich. And the Mishnah says that the Sheni could be going from the Lekeach and the Rishon from the Sheni, and the Lekeach from the Rishon, V'chezeres Chalilo, Achi Yasub Shor B'neyem. And the Chronim ask if, according to Rabbi Chanan, the shegavah loigavah is that it's as if the balchoiv miuchar wasn't gavah at all. So then how could the Kesubos Isha Rishona be gavah from the Kesubos Isha Shniya, since she wrote didn't form any nechsayach to the lekeach, and that the Kesubos Isha that Shniya was gavah as if she was never gavah b'chlal. So how could the Kesubos Isha Rishona be gavah from her v'ayin b'achroinim v'tzorchi and b'zet? Moving further on, the Gemara asks, how could the Kesubos Isha write to lekeach who didn't form any nechsayach because for lehochim mahavo? We learned the price that didn't form any b'nechsayich, any also the zuv, any asik bav yod musleges hevan loyam aklum. Tosfos says that it's hard to understand what's the Gemara's kasha. Over here, she did not yet collect the property, so therefore it's as if she wrote in dvorim when she was still narusa, that she could write din dvarim, she could misalik herself. And that Tosfos says that over here, it's as if she wrote din dvarim when she was in the suah, since she has a shibud on the property to be gavah or ksuba, it's considered as if she's writing the Dvarim when she is on the Suah. So the Ktsois in Siman Yud Beis brings a raya from this Tosis that you see that a Balchoiv can't be Masalik from a Choiv. And Bemis it's Tzorach Ian, according to what's Mavun Machan Ephraim, that he has a tremendous chakir in the geder of Mechila is Mechila Siluk, Mechila is a Piroin Kilu, you Makabul, the Choiv. And if it's a Siluk, it's Shver. How could Mechila ever work on a Choiv? If Mechila is a Siluk and Siluk it's Mavun, now Sugi over here is not Mahani on a Choiv. So Bemis there's two different Mahalchim and Achorim to learn what's the Chesar now Sugi that Miluim explains the reason why Siluk is not mahani with our kona biyodi now sugya is because of what's mavur in Rabbeinu Tam, which mentions Shela Eldaf Pehei that there's two different shibudim. There's a shibud aguf and a shibud nechosim on every balchoiv, and Avnum says a tremendous yisoid that's mahani siluk and mechila on a choiv is specifically when you meichel the shibud aguf, and therefore male it's poka the shibud nechosim. However, in our sugya not being meichel the actual choiv, she's not meichel the choiv. She still has a chiv ksuba on the husband, and her mechila is only to the shibud nechosim. So therefore, it's not mahani or mechila on the shibud nechosim, because that's considered like she has a kinyan on the nechosim and it doesn't pass to masalik herself from something that she has a kinyan on. The Nesivis says a different pshat now is sugya that the reason why it's nahat mahani dinu dvorim on the shibud nechosim is because dinu dvorim is a loshen garua. So according to these mahalchim, it's miuchar hativ the Machan Ephraim that specifically according to Avnei Melum, when you only meichel the shibud nechosim, or according to Nesivis, when you say loshen garua, it's not mahani or siluk, and who then won't be mahani mechila but a mechila, which is the Lashon Toiv on the Gufa Choiv is going to be Mahani to be Meichel Choiv. I have Nimluim that brings a Mordechai in the beginning of this 9th perek that asks, similar to Avnum asked, now a Sugya, why in the economy Yodim, Mechila doesn't need a Kinyan, and the Mordechai asked, why is the Gemara have to say because of Voida Arusa on the beginning of the 9th perek? Typically, even by Nesuah, since Mechila doesn't need a kinyan, so therefore she should be able to be moichel without a kinyan. So Mordechai says, since the Perus were not yet ba'olam, so therefore she can't be Masalik herself. And Avnum asked, it's hard to understand the Mordechai's kasha and the Mordechai's teretz, because by a Nesuah, it's yodi ki yodo, so what's the Mordechai's kasha that she should be moichel? And furthermore, what's the Mordechai's teretz that's not yet ba'olam? By Arus, it's not yet ba'olam, and nevertheless, it's Mahani Siluk. Ein agoyis. From Rav Jimshovsky Shlit, there's a beautiful pshat to explain the Mordechai, and he says it's mavur and the Mordechai that the Mordechai's kasha is that he should be able to meichel on his schus peris, although once he's in a suah, he can't be meichel on the ikar schus of achilas peris. That is how Siluk works. Siluk is chal on the ikar schus, ayin le'el, daf pegimel, u'mayach in this chakira. However, it should be mahani mechila on the actual schus peris. And he says that you find the Ktsois brings Rivosh that has discussion if a seicher, a renter, could be meichel his schus schirus for the maskir. He says Beis Yaakov is mavur from the Nesivis at Sad that you could be meichel the schus achilas peris. He says that's the understanding of the Mordechai's kasha, and the Mordechai's teretz says that's considered davar shalei b'loilam. And although it's mahani siluk, before it came the oilam, siluk is different because it's schal on the ikar mechayev and on the ikar schus. However, mechila it's schal on the actual schus achilas peris. It's not mahani on davar shalei b'loilam. According to this mahalach in the Mordechai, it's mavur hatev, even though Mechila and Siluk, like we mentioned before, is very similar. According to Tzad Machan Ephraim, the Mechila is a Siluk. Nevertheless, according to this Mahalach, it's Cholok b'Yisodim because Siluk is on the Ikar Schus. However, Mechila is not on the Ikar Schus, but rather on the Chiv Tashlumen and the Schus Achilas Peiris for Ayin Shov. Moving further on, the Ktsois Achishn is a tremendous kasha, and the Gemara's kasha that has Mahani Siluk, it's Mavur, now Imel Chaveo Dinu Dvorm Indial, so the Zuv, Yodim Selekas him, and it's not Mahani, and the Ktsois asks, how could the Gemara compare that price to our case over there? It's referring to two shutfim, so since they are shutf and they have bailus in the actual property, so therefore it's not mahani siluk. However, over here she's has a choiv and a shibut, so it's mahani siluk. On that, the Ksesachishon says, according to what's mavur in the Ran, in the Dorim Daf Memhei, a tremendous chiddush that the geder of kinyan shutfim is each shutf has a chelik in the property and a shibut to use his shutf's property. So since each shutf has a shibud on his friend's property, and nevertheless it's not mahani siluk, so then that the Gemara is comparing to a din about choiv, it's not mahani siluk. And the goes from Jimitrovsky that asks that's tzorachin because of choiv, the shibud you could be miuchar. However, a shutf, even though he has a shibud on his friend's chelik, nevertheless on that chelik he can't be miuchar. So how could the Gemara compare these two halachas with tzorachin?